Hello guys, how you doing? Right now I'm about to share with you this amazing footage right here. Work done or a job which was done by the community in Nasir Mandeng. Well, this is an amazing job. You know, they managed to remove the plant out of the water. You know that this is a flood area, right? So they have done a great job. A plant landed in this place, and then after that it is stuck. It cannot move. Okay, the pilot cannot do anything. Even the crew, they cannot do anything. But the youth or the community living there have done a great job. Let's try to look at the footage, what the footage look like, and how they managed to move the plane out of the water. So guys, this is an amazing job. Okay, we should give them a credit or something, okay, because they have done the great job. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you for this amazing job. Okay, this is an amazing job indeed, and you deserve a great recognition, and you know, you are contributing something useful. So this work right here, do you know why I'm trying to show you guys this footage? Is because this is what we call unity. With unity we can move everything, we can move things, okay, because without unity we cannot do anything. And imagine this is a plane, this is an aeroplane, right? Aeroplane is stuck in the water, and still they use manite to remove this. So let's try to look at the video right here. Guys, let's go, let's see what's happening here.
Allah ya na tiya wai ya ba mu da ya Allah ko ai ke ba ka da ka da mimi ko ya wala ja ja lo ba wala ka na ro la ka ba em le lu na ro moi mon phai go na ro moi mon phai ko yo de piu wa de wa tul ke bravo ko di al bane tele ba yo te ra te ra
Yeah, look at that, look at that. The youth are running there, all right? Look at that, man. They are really doing an amazing job. This is great job, man. Okay, I love this community, man. I love them. You know, look at this unity. If it continue like this, man, this will be amazing in the community. Sorry about the quality, all right? Okay. Yep, you can hear them, man. You can hear them, right? Singing community songs, man. Man, this is so amazing. I like this. Look, guys. Look, this amazing job. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. My God. Wow. This is amazing job. Look at that. Man. Wow. Look at that. They managed it. They brought the plant out of the water into the dry land, man. Yep. Youths are the strong. That's what they are saying. That the youths are the strong. All of the society. Look at that. You guys can see that, you can hear them. Okay, they have did it, they have done it, and this is what I want to share with you. Mandeng community or Mandeng youth, they did a great job. Congratulations, guys, for this great job. Okay, this is amazing work, you know, and that is why I say a community that have a unity like that. Look at that, look at that, man. That's great job, man. A round of applause, man. That is so nice. That's good. Look, 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 look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Amazing job, boys. Amazing job. Amazing job. You guys see it already. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is amazing job, okay? So we should give credit to Nasir community in Mandeng, okay? Yep. I love this. Guys. Look at this, amazing. Okay, in the end they have sung a community song by Gordon Kwang. Okay, so you see the footage. All right, you have already seen this incredible job, this incredible unity. Okay, users come together and then they did their part. So this is what I want from all the community to participate and, you know, unite themselves and remove all the obstacles, because this is an obstacle, by the way. This is an obstacle. And without removing those obstacles within the community, we are not going anywhere. But if you take a look at this good example right here, when a community come together, unite, or youth come together and do something together, they can be able to move mountain. Okay? So this is a great job, guys. Thank you, congratulations, and this is amazing job. I can say that this is a highlight to all the people that do not want to have a unity. Especially you know community, you guys should come together having one role, one unity, work together, remove all the obstacles that are preventing you to move forward, things that are degrading you. Okay, so thank you guys for the great job. So I want to shout out to them, the Mandeng community or Nasir community out there. Guys, you guys did an incredible job, and I would like to appreciate all the youth who participate, okay, because I see this a number of youth, okay. All you guys always hear is about fighting another or everywhere around Newland, but this thing shows that the people have a unity right there. So what they gotta do is that let them upgrade it, bring in everybody in one umbrella, okay. So this is what I want them to do. Okay, so there should be an example to all the community, because this job is amazing job, guys. This is incredible, okay, and I really appreciate that job. I really appreciate that work. I didn't get this video earlier, I just got it right now. So this is amazing, guys. I would like to congratulate you, and I would say that move on, push on, keep on doing that job, never stop, because nothing will stop you. Remove all the obstacle among you. Okay, you be the example. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. If you are new to my channel, please try to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and very soon you might be I might bring you a good video or something that relate to what these people are doing right here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.